We'll have Wildcat trivia here at halftime as well, but let's go back to the Man Up movement. I want to talk a little bit about this year. Let's go first to the next one. Let's go to the River Falls Robotics. So they reached out and said, hey, can you help us out? River Falls Robotics is rapidly transforming the landscape of STEM education, science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. More than just exposure to cutting-edge technology, robotics inspires students to explore, solve problems, and engage in hands-on learning that fuels creativity and innovation. This is K through 12. And the River Falls School District, and they said, hey, can you help us out and promote this? We said, yes, we can. The Man Up movement is here to help. The River Falls Robotics and K through 12 education. It's the Lego League with the grade schoolers. Then we go to Vex Robotics at the middle school. Then First Robotics, Robocats at the high school. Next up, we also are reached out by Accessibility Awareness River Falls. Have this issue where if you're in a wheelchair or handicap and you get to a door, you can't get in. And so they have this thing where they're installing Ring doorbells at businesses all around River Falls in partnership with Accessibility Wisconsin. And they said, hey, can you help us out to help people in River Falls in need? And we said, we can help you out. The Man Up movement can help you out. So they're a local initiative dedicated to making our community more inclusive and accessible for everyone. And they have the doorbell campaign going on, and we're going to help them out. And then our favorite one, the River Falls Sunshine Fund. They're always good. The River Falls Sunshine Fund is a student-led nonprofit organization dedicated to supporting families within the school district who are experiencing difficult times. It's our mission to provide a financial assistance to community members facing a variety of hardships, offering hope and relief when it's needed most. The River Falls Sunshine Fund, the third recipient of the Man Up Award this year. And there's the Venmo on your screen right there. Go to River Falls Sports Broadcasting and Venmo. You can scan that. We'll leave that up there for a minute. And $100, 100 men, $100. And just for a little context, the Man Up movement, inspired by River Falls Sports Broadcasting, is entering its sixth year, Jeff.
Wow.
And has already raised nearly $60,000 for local nonprofit organizations in River Falls. So each year, 100 men plus donate $100 each. We've always had more than 100 men supporting causes such as the Rhinos Foundation, the Women's Shelter, Food Pantry, Our Neighbor's Place, Sunshine Fund, American Legion, ARC Assisted Resource Center, the Fire Rising Foundation, Chippewa Valley Technical College, and more. So every year we have 1 to 3 different recipients. And again, over the last 5 years, we've raised almost $60,000. Let's do it again this year and break the lid off of this thing and help these organizations, these local organizations in town. Thank you, Man Up Movement. You're going to get an opportunity. You'll get an email. And spread the word and be part of the River Falls Sports Broadcasting Man Up Movement here to help these nonprofits in River Falls.